Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a fleet in the marine traffic application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the tools section, click on the settings button. And then click on the my fleets button. And then click on the fleets settings button. And here you can see your existing fleets, but if you want to create a new one, then just click on the create fleet button at the bottom of the page, and then just name your fleet whatever you want to, and then just click on the OK button, and your fleet is created. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.